Hello, I am Mohammed Hassan and today I have Oud Malaki for you. Swiss Arabian Oud Malaki, which is only available in UAE. I haven't seen it on US or other stores. So this is what I have got, Oud Malaki, and let's see if we can get something out of it. I was really disappointed with my previous review of Rose Malaki. You can also watch Mukhallat Malaki and Musk Malaki on my channel. Those are my most popular. So I'm going to, unwrap it, which I really love and enjoy unwrapping or exploring new things. So this is the plastic wrap. I think they should use some paper over here to wrap it to avoid plastic. So let's get it out. So there is something like this, so I have to unwrap it, and there is a pouch inside it. So let's try to get it out safely. So here we have this magic potion for you. So you can see over here, this is kind of like magic potion, and I am going to unwrap it now and see if this actually amazes me or not. So here we have it. So this is the color. I like the color. It is light brown, and this is the bottle. You can see, and the top, it has now a knob. So if I try to, so you have to use it like this. So they have an applicator now. Before that, they had something else. They had just a dab. So I have applied it on my right hand. So let's see how it actually evolves. Oud Malaki, very aromatic, balsamic. Yes, it is more on the side of Luban, Omani Luban, or whatever that is burned in Bahur. It is kind of that sweet. It doesn't have much oud, but it has incense and very balsamic. It has some balm kind of effect. I think they should have put some oud at least in it, which I am not getting right now. I was expecting an oud rose kind of combo here, but this is not very interesting for me. Let's try to apply a bit more on the wrist over here, just to see what heat does to this one. So I'm going to put the bottle now over there. Yes, there is something woody, but overall I think there are some chemicals in it. I'm not liking it much. Yes, sweet, balsamic, light woody. I'm not sensing any sort of oud in it. Luban, yes, I think there is Luban, or I'm not sure what they call it in English, but I'm going to show you what it actually it is. I think it is extracted from trees in Oman. It is very similar to that. When you burn up Luban, it is kind of spicy, balsamic, sweet kind of scent, which is very similar to what you are getting over here. So if you like those kind of bahurs, or you burn Omani incense or Luban, I think this is for you. I am not getting much oud over here. I think they should have put some oud in it, at least 4 to 5%, just to get it, some sort of oud. There is light woodiness, but I think it is not oud over here. So rounding up this one was Oud Malaki, and not really amazing for me. I think I would give it like 6 out of 10 for scent profile, and performance I'm not sure. but I think it is going to be very average. It is going to be skin scent, and that is all. For me, I am really again disappointed by this one, Swiss Arabian. I am sensing a little bit of chemical over here, less than what I had in Rose Malaki. Rose Malaki is my least favorite. This is going to be on the third number, which is Oud Malaki. It is nowhere near any oud oil, so it is kind of like incense, luban, sweet, balsamic. That is all. So this is all about Oud Malaki from Swiss Arabian. I am really disappointed by these two, Oud Malaki and Rose Malaki. This is a little better with respect to Rose Malaki. So that is all. This is my review about Oud Malaki from Swiss Arabian. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you have used it or trying to order it, I suggest that you should try it before. So if you really love Omani incense or Luban, burning Luban or something like that, so I'm not sure whether it was Luban or something else it is called. I will show you the images over here. So this is all. This is what I'm getting from Oud Malaki. So for me, I think I'm going to keep it like for 6 months or maybe more and see where it goes. Anyhow, so I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and see you soon with another scent.